First of all, I would like to thank, and I know each one of us here would like to thank Yogeshwar sir for this amazing training and Dharmishta ma'am for the way she has arranged the whole conference. Let's have a big applause for that. I still remember in year 2000, I used to work with a share broker for around a year's time. And that time, I actually came to know what share market is. Because people used to come in at 9 in the morning until 3:30. There used to be a big chaos. Like actually a fish market. अरे इसको ले लो, इसको खरीदो, इसको बेचो, stop loss से hit हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. And the situation was really bad. That time I realized was this market is not for me. I can't put in money here because everyone loses finally. I have hardly seen people making money. Then came year 2008 and 2009 when actually the Satyam scam happened in 2009. I had a friend of mine who made almost 2 to 3 lakhs rupees by buying Satyam share just for 10 rupees. And then his confidence was so much boosted that eventually he started his own share broking firm. And then one day he's coming to me and telling, Pallavi, why don't you invest some money with me? And I said, see, I don't have any appetite for share broking and shares or share market. What I can do, I'll give you 50,000 rupees. You can do whatever with it and just give me at least some profit at the end of the month. In the period of 1 month, no call, nothing from that guy. So finally I called him, what happened? No yaar, 50,000 का तो 35,000 हो गया. बोला यार ये तो प्रॉब्लम है. तो मैंने क्या करूँ? बोले कुछ नहीं भाई, 35 तो 35 दे दे वापस, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. So finally now I'm doing my studies for the studies, and then even the whole economy, Indian economy, what we look at, how Indian economy growing and everything. So I thought this is the good time to probably get into the market and understand the manufacturing sector and everything. So then I started reading some articles on the net and all, and then I found out about Pathfinders. And first day I came in for the free seminar, I was not even 10% sure that I will probably get into it. But after listening to Yogeshwar sir, my confidence was boosted almost to 30%. I thought let's get into it. And now at this moment I can say that I'm almost 60% sure that yes, I can get into the market. I know that what people used to talk, stop loss क्या है, trend क्या है, upward है, downward है, ये है, वो है, everything I know. I have some theoretical knowledge. Yes, I know I'll still improve, and once I get into mentoring program and I work with him. Thank you.